Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. This video is about why is Easter celebrated with a bunny, and as you all know it is very popular in United States, the festival. We are going to dig deeper about this question. We have all been celebrating Easter for a very long time, but there are some certain facts that goes unaddressed. But this video is certainly going to solve your query about why is Easter celebrated with a bunny. But before we move forward, I would love if you like this video, share it with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative news regularly. Celebrated and praised by Christians all over the planet, Easter is an occasion that is known for when Jesus Christ has resurrected back to life after the declaration that he was dead. It is accepted that the New Testament discussed he returned to life 3 days after he was killed by the Romans in 330 AD. The practices and customs that mark Easter are established in pagan festivals. They incorporate the Easter eggs and rabbits that are popular on this very day. Now, the question on why is Easter celebrated with a bunny? So, the Easter bunny significance lies in the fact that the actual, like the egg, bunnies are likewise viewed as an animal or an image of life. Thus, they hold importance on Easter as well. They bring forth a ton of babies, which addresses the new and ongoing form of life. It is accepted that the rabbits protect and hides the eggs in a better place. That is the reason Easter egg treasure hunts are also a part of culture and a way of celebrating Easter. Rumors have spread far and wide suggesting that Easter Bunny lays, decorates, and protects the egg by hiding them, as they are likewise an image of new life. There have been rumors and legends that have said that in the previous era and in the previous forms of life, Easter bunnies actually decorated the eggs and hid them as per they wanted it, and which also contributed as an image of life. This is the reason a lot of kids appreciate Easter egg chases and goes for egg hunts as a feature of a celebration of this very festival. So it certainly is a very interesting fact that Easter bunny is a very significant and a very important part of the celebration of the festival Easter, and the festival itself is marked by bunnies and rabbits by painting and decorating them on the day of Easter. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative news regularly. You can also tell us in the comment section how you celebrated Easter and what all you did on this day. Thank you and have a nice day.